To study this Ohm's law, we have to form some simple circuit. For example, one battery is there. Then after we are having ammeter, this is negative, positive. Then after we are having one resistance, one key will be there, and circuit is completed now. But here to find voltage, we have to join that voltmeter with the parallel of the series. So this is voltmeter, this will be positive, this will be negative. So positive, negative, right? So Ohm's law, here we have to derive relationship between voltage and current. So Ohm's law, here as a resistance we can use any conductive wire, because conductor also have some kinds of resistance. So we can use here conducting wire like a nichrome or any metallic wire, those who have some, because always conductor also have some resistance in it. Now somehow if we find the relation between voltage and ampere, we can observe that as we increase this voltage, ammeter means current is also increases. So how can we increase this voltage? By increasing resistance. So we can put here variable resistance. By increasing resistance we are getting more voltage, and when more voltage we are getting more current. So from this observation we can write V is directly proportional to I. We can also write V upon I proportional to constant, right? So V upon I, if I am removing this, there will be is equal to, and some constant will be there, that is called capital R. Capital R is called resistance of the circuit. So here this is our resistance. So if I subject V is equal to I into R. So V is equal to IR. As V increases, current increases, or vice versa, as current increases, voltage increases. So that is Ohm's law, right? Now by this equation, or unit of resistance, that is ohm, it is called ohm, and other unit of resistance is volt upon ampere. So that is volt upon ampere. So I can simply write that 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. So the ratio of one potential difference upon 1 ampere current is 1 ohm. So our resistance will be, value is 1 ohm whenever voltage is 1 volt and current is 1 ampere. So that is simple Ohm's law. We can use any wire, any conducting wire. We can also use here rheostat to change the resistance, to change the voltage, right? So different conductor, different material have different Ohm's law characteristics. For example, all are having same characteristic, like a conductor, they are in a straight line. So V, I, this is graph of V versus I. If we are using conductor here or any alloys, relation between V and I will be same. Value may differ, voltages may differ, but relationship is a straight line, that V directly proportional to I. So that is Ohm's law. Ohm's law always obey V proportional to I. But some circuit, some semiconductors does not obey this Ohm's law, like a silicon, germanium, but because they don't have V versus I straight line, that's why they don't obey Ohm's law.